Hello, my name is Darlene Robbins, President of the Northeast Pennsylvania Manufacturers and Employers Association and Council. Today I would like to share with you the events that we held this year in honor of Manufacturing Week. I would like to start by thanking the companies below that hosted our YES students and gave them a behind-the-scenes tour of their facilities. The information they provided will undoubtedly help each student consider the importance of manufacturing. On Monday, YES students from Monomoy area visited Ashland Technologies in Higgins. While touring, students got a first-hand look at the machining and fabrication processes that are involved in making many of the parts that Ashland Technologies supplies to a variety of different industries. Technology at the facility was on display as students saw the many CNC machines in operation. They were shown how the machines are programmed and tools that operators use, such as the micrometer that you are seeing displayed right now. On Tuesday, YES students from Schuylkill Haven were joined by YES Workshop Series participants from the Pottsville Career Link on a tour of Cardinal Systems in Schuylkill Haven. Prior to the tour, students were given important company information and learned about the growth that the company is currently experiencing. Each group then explored the plant floor, where they learned all about the panels, steps, coping, and components that are produced there. Students also got to explore the engineering and sales departments at the company, where they were shown all the details that turn a simple idea into a completed swimming pool. On Wednesday, YES students from Pottsville toured Northeast Pre-Stressed Products in Cressona. Students got a complete look into the process of creating pre-stressed and precast concrete bridge components. Before each group toured the plant, a presentation was given on the importance of blueprint reading. This showed the students all the work that must go into each component prior to it being manufactured. They then got to see the prints take form as they watched the actual process of the beams being poured. Quality was also emphasized as the students learned how they test their concrete samples and watched the testing process being carried out. On Thursday, YES students from Crestwood visited Cornell Cookson in Mountaintop. Students were educated on all the custom closure products that are manufactured in their facility, how each item is produced, and all the jobs that go into making their finalized products. Staff also took the time to talk about many of the subjects the students are currently learning about, such as interviewing, resume writing, and the overall importance of soft skills in a fast-paced manufacturing environment. On Friday, the association started off the day with their annual legislative roundtable at the top of the 80s in Hazleton. Senator David Argyle, Representative Doyle Heffley, Representative Jerry Knowles, Representative Mike Tobash, and Representative Tara Toohill were in attendance to discuss the issues that are most important to member companies. Those topics included pension reform, passing of the state budget, right to work, taxes, and liquor privatization. After a productive conversation between legislators and member companies, the manufacturers in attendance were honored in observance of Manufacturing Day. We know that manufacturing is the engine that drives the economy, so we realize how vital they are to our region. Thank you all for your hard work. Later in the morning, 3 tours took place with Hazleton YES Workshop Series participants visiting Polyplastic Products in Delano. Wilkes-Barre YES Workshop Series participants visiting Diamond Manufacturing in Wyoming, and YES students from Wyoming Valley West visiting Gatorade. While at Gatorade, students first watched a video showing the entire process a bottle must go through in order to make it to the shelves of their local convenience store. This was a great introduction as they then got to watch each step being carried out on the plant tour. Staff started by demonstrating the technology behind the bottles being used, then proceeded to show a large batch of lemon lime being mixed. The students found the filling process especially interesting as the plant has the capability to fill 1,200 bottles per minute. We would again like to thank all of the companies that contributed to the success of Manufacturing Week. If you would like more information on the week's events, please call the council office at 570-622-0940. Thank you.